Well, we get into 2023, and around the top of the year, Yak Gotti's mother actually gets arrested for trying to sneak rolling papers and tobacco into the courtroom.
And I was part of that, by the way.
You were part of that. So explain what happened.
Let me explain the bigger picture so people understand. You know, these guys need clothes in court. They don't have a giant closet worth of stuff. So there's a whole difficult, complex system we have of getting all the guys their clothes, their clean clothes, returning the old clothes. So it was time for some new clothes to be brought in. A woman that Yak had a relationship with brought in some clothes for Yak, gave them to his mom, Miss Tasha. Miss Tasha gave them to me. I gave them, I believe, to the deputy to give to Yak. And in searching through there, they found contraband. Now, by the way, let's talk about what the contraband was. I mean, it's not guns. It's not drugs. It was rolling papers and tobacco. So, big fucking deal. I don't know if I can say that on your show or not. BFD. Okay? Who gives a shit? But whatever, it technically is contraband. But they blew it up to be such a big thing. Acting like it was, you know, a knife or a shiv or something. It was tobacco and rolling papers. So no, it shouldn't have been passed to him, but Miss Tasha had nothing to do with it. I had nothing to do with it. It was an unfortunate circumstance.
So was she actually arrested?
She was. She was arrested. But I believe that Kayla Bumpus represented her and got all the charges dropped, I think. Which they should have been.
Okay, because that happens, and then in open court, one of the YSL co-defendants, Khalif Adams, tries to give Young Thug a pill right there in open court, and then that gets caught, and then, you know, ends up being a big hoopla. And I thought that almost set the stage for the type of circus that we were going to have for the next couple of years.
Yeah, I guess it did. I mean, what set the stage for a circus is putting 14 people on trial all at the same time instead of severing us out into an easily manageable group of people, like the feds would have done. So that's what set the stage for. But yes, it was a bit of a circus. There's no doubt about it. We had the attorney arrested for having drugs, which were drugs that were prescribed to him. I mean, that was crazy. I mean, there's so many crazy moments.
Well, yeah, one of the defense attorneys, Nicole Fegan, who actually represented one of the co-defendants, it's Aquarius Mender, she got arrested herself on charges related to a 2022 gang shooting, where I guess she tried to tell the alleged gunman to get rid of the murder weapon, and then she gets arrested. Whatever happened to her?
I'm not sure what happened with that charge. I mean, it's an allegation. I have not looked into it. I don't know the basis of it. I know that Nicole Fagan's a great attorney, and I have trouble imagining she would have done what they say she did. But I don't know the resolution of that.